Secondly, in your life's blueprint, you must have as a basic principle the determination to achieve excellence.
Now we do another problem in which we want to construct a quadrilateral with two diagonals and three sides are given. First of all, let us do the rough diagram, and we start with not diagonal but with LD side. So first of all, construct this LD. Construct this LD. LD equal to 5 centimeter. From this LD, this O point is 10 centimeter. So take 10 centimeter in the rounder and put metallic end of rounder at B and draw one arc. This arc is at of radius 10 centimeter away from this D. On this arc there is point O there. For locating O, OL is given 7.5 centimeter. OL is 7.5 centimeter. Take 7.5 centimeter in the rounder. Put metallic end of rounder at L and draw another arc intersecting these two arc, this arc and this arc at this point O. This point O is 7.5 centimeter away from L, and this arc O is 10 centimeter away from D. Now remaining point is G. For G, what is given? This GL and GD, these are 6 centimeter. So for that we have to take 6 centimeter in the rounder. Put metallic end of rounder at L. Draw one arc. This arc is of radius 6 centimeter. Put metallic end of rounder at D and radius is same 6 centimeter and draw another arc. These two arcs intersect each other at the point, and this is 6 centimeter and this is 6 centimeter, and resulting this point, the point of intersection, that is G. Now what we have to do? We have to join this OG. Remaining is GOLD, quadrilateral GOLD. GOLD, how this GOLD constructed we have seen. Now how to construct this rhombus BE and E. You know that property of rhombus. Property of rhombus, these are the two diagonals are given. Now first of all we draw the rough diagram. This diagonal 6.5 centimeter and this diagonal is 5.6 centimeter. You know the property of rhombus. The diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular as well as bisector of each other. So what we do? First of all we construct this DE. This DE is 6.5 centimeter. This is one of the diagonal. Now we want to construct the perpendicular bisector. You know how to draw perpendicular bisector of any side. Take more than 50% of 6.5 in the rounder and put metallic end of rounder at B. Draw one arc. Draw one arc on the upper side and lower side. With E, with same radius, draw another arc. Let us intersect each other at XY. Now this XY, on this XY there is point B and point N is there. Now you know that this BN is 6.5 centimeter. It means that it is 2.8 centimeter from this point O, and this B is or N is also at the 2.8 centimeter from O, means it is half of 5.6. Take 2.8 centimeter in rounder and draw one arc. This radius is 2.8 centimeter. Now put metallic end of rounder at O and draw another arc intersecting on the another side of this DE at 2.8 centimeter. Now this 2.8 and 2.8, that is equal to 5.6. This is point B, this is E, and this is N, and this D. This distance, this diagonal is 5.6 centimeter, and join this B, E and D, and this is resulting into rhombus B, E and D. Now how to construct quadrilateral when two adjacent sides and three angles are given. Let us construct this quadrilateral MIST. For that, first of all, construct the rough figure. Means draw the rough figure. This rough figure. Now on this rough figure, this MI is 3.5 centimeter. First of all, construct MI. This construct MI 3.5 centimeter. On this MI, there is M angle M 75 degree. You can construct angle 75 degree. So you construct angle M 75 degree. Construct angle M 75 degree. How to do construct angle 75 degree? You can construct 45 degree plus 30 degree, that is equal to 75 degree. Now on this I there is 105 degree. You know how to construct angle 105 degree. You know how to construct angle 105 degree. This is 105 degree. 105 degree means 60 degree plus 45 degree, that is equal to 105 degree. Now this 105 and this 75, this sum become 180, means that these are two parallel lines. Now this on this line there is point S which is 6.5 centimeter from this I. Take 6.5 centimeter and draw arc intersecting this ray at S, and this point is S. This is 6.5 centimeter away from I. Now from this S there is angle of 120 degree. This point, at this point S, angle is 120 degree. So you can construct the angle 120 degree and construct this angle 120 degree. Construct this angle 120 degree at S, intersecting this ray at T. This angle is 120 degree, and this is how to construct quadrilateral MIST. This angle is 75, this is 105 degree, this is 120 degree. Now how to construct this quadrilateral MORE when two of its adjacent side and three angles are given. So first of all, what we do? We do the rough diagram. Here this angle is 60 degree, this 105, this is 105 degree, and these two sides are given. So what we do? First of all, we construct this segment MO, that is equal to 6 centimeter. MO equal to 6 centimeter. Now in part 1 we have already, practical geometry part 1, we have already seen how to construct 105 degree, 60 degree. 105 degree can be constructed by using 60 plus 45 degree. And how to construct the 60 degree, 45 degree, what we have already seen. So construct the 60 degree here, 60 degree here at M. At M this 60 degree. On this ray there is point E. And construct 105 degree at this point O. On this point O, on this ray, this angle is 105 degree. On this ray there is R point which is at 4.5 centimeter from this point O. Take 4.5 centimeter and draw arc intersecting this ray at R. This OR is 4.5 centimeter. This OR is 4.5 centimeter. At R again construct 105 degree. This 105 degree intersecting this ray at this point, that is E. Now this point, this angle is 105 degree. This is 60 degree. This is 105 degree. This length is 6 centimeter and this 4.5 centimeter. This angle is 105 degree. This is how to construct MORE, quadrilateral MORE. Now how to construct this quadrilateral plan PLAN when two its adjacent side and three angles are given. In this quadrilateral, what we have to do? First of all, we have to calculate this angle L. This angle, without this angle L, we cannot construct this quadrilateral PALN. So you know that angle sum property of quadrilateral, sum of these four angle equal to 360 degree. Out of this P is given 90 degree. Angle L, that is unknown, angle A equal to 110 degree and angle N equal to 85 degree. That is equal to 360 degree. This is angle sum property of quadrilateral. Sum of these three is 285. 285 plus angle L equal to 360 degree. So angle L equal to 360 minus 285, that is equal to 75 degree. So this angle L equal to 75 degree. Now we proceed to construct quadrilateral PLAN. First of all, we construct this PL equal to 4 centimeter. Now construct this angle 90 degree over here. We can construct 90 degree over here. We can construct 75 degree. 75 degree, that is equal to 30 plus 45 degree. So we can construct 75 degree over here. This angle is 75 degree. But we cannot construct 110 degree. For 110 degree over A, first of all we have to locate point A. Take 6.5 centimeter in the rounder and draw one arc intersecting this at A. At A, this angle is 110 degree. So we cannot use the rounder or compass. We have to use the protector for making this angle. We have to use protector for making angle and use this protector, and you can get this 110 degree. Ultimately, if your construction is correct, definitely this angle is 85 degree. This length is 6.5. Now, how to construct this parallelogram HEAR? So you know that this parallelogram is there. This side 5 centimeter. Then definitely this side is 5 centimeter. And this side is 6 centimeter. This side is 6 centimeter. This angle is 85 degree. Definitely this angle is 85 degree. If this is 85, then you know that this interior consecutive interior angle sum is 180 degree. That is why it is 95 degree. This angle is 95 degree. Means in this case all 4 angles and 4 sides are given. Now we start with AR. AR is this R, this A. AR is 5 centimeter. AR 5 centimeter. So construct 5 centimeter here. At this you cannot construct, but you can draw 95 degree. You cannot construct, but you can draw. This angle is 95 degree. 95 degree at point A. And on this A, you can take 6 centimeter distance, and from point A draw an arc intersecting this at E, and this is 6 centimeter. Now this 5 centimeter, this is 6 centimeter. Now you can get remaining point H by using these 2 angles also, or by using this length and this length is same. So this is 6 centimeter. You can draw another arc with radius 6 centimeter and center at R. And this from E to this H is 5 centimeters. Take a metallic end of rounder at E, take 5 centimeter, and this is what say point H. Point H is 5 centimeter. Point H is 5 centimeter from E, and point H is 6 centimeter from point R. So this is what say HEAR. This side and this side is parallel. Then this side and this side is parallel.